When it comes to bread, it's hard to resist its comforting and versatile appeal. However, for individuals with diabetes, the love affair with bread can turn into a tricky balancing act. Most types of bread, especially the refined white variety, can wreak havoc on blood sugar levels due to their high carbohydrate content. Additionally, many breads are laden with added sugars, further exacerbating the issue. As a result, nutritionists and health experts often caution against consuming traditional bread regularly for those battling diabetes. But fear not, there's a silver lining. Exciting alternatives exist that not only offer diabetic-friendly options, but also provide a range of health benefits. So, let's count down the realm of bread alternatives and discover how to enjoy bread without compromising glucose control. Starting at the number 8 best bread alternative, whole wheat tortillas. Let me introduce you to the wonderful world of whole wheat tortillas, the first bread alternative on our list. These tortillas are not only delicious, but also are a great option for managing blood sugar levels. Unlike white bread, which is high in carbs and sugar, whole wheat tortillas are made from 100% whole grains, including the fiber-filled bran, nutrient-rich germ, and the endosperm. This means you're getting the full package of goodness in each bite. But what makes whole wheat tortillas truly stand out is their impressive nutritional profile. These tortillas are a fantastic source of essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and potassium. Plus, they boast a remarkable fiber content. One true whole grain tortilla contains just 92 calories, less than half a gram of fat, 19.5 grams of carbohydrates, and a generous 2.5 grams of fiber. In comparison, 2 slices of white bread can pack upwards of 132 calories, over 25 grams of carbs, and only about a gram of fiber. By choosing whole wheat tortillas, you're not only reducing your carb intake, but also increasing your fiber intake, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and promote a feeling of fullness. What's more, whole wheat tortillas offer versatility. You can use them to create a variety of delicious and healthy meals. Wrap up your favorite sandwich fillings, create flavorful burritos, or even use them as a base for homemade pizzas. The possibilities are endless. So why settle for ordinary white bread when you can elevate your sandwiches and meals with whole wheat tortillas? They offer a nutritious low-carb option that won't send your blood sugar soaring. Plus, the added fiber keeps you feeling satisfied and can aid in digestion. It's a win-win situation for your taste buds and your health. Give whole wheat tortillas a try and experience the goodness they bring to your meals. Your body will thank you for making this smart and tasty switch. Best bread alternative number 7. Ezekiel bread. Ezekiel bread gets its name from the biblical book of Ezekiel, chapter 4, verse 9, which outlines the ingredients used to make this extraordinary bread. This unique bread is not your ordinary loaf. It's a flavorless, cholesterol-free, low-carb delight that offers a range of benefits for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. It's made from sprouted whole grains, such as wheat, barley, beans, lentils, millet, and spelt. The sprouting process breaks down the starches and lowers carbohydrate content, making Ezekiel bread a diabetic-friendly choice. But it doesn't stop there. Ezekiel bread is a nutritional powerhouse. It contains essential nutrients like B vitamins, folic acid, calcium, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Additionally, sprouted grains release more natural antioxidants than unsprouted seeds, providing an extra health boost. When it comes to managing blood sugar levels, Ezekiel bread shines. With its low glycemic index score of 36, it's considered a low GI food. This means it has minimal impact on blood sugar levels compared to regular white bread. One slice of Ezekiel bread contains approximately 80 calories, 4 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbohydrates, and 3 grams of fiber. The respectable fiber and protein content in Ezekiel bread can help slow down your body's insulin response, supporting better blood sugar control. So, if you're looking for a diabetic-friendly bread alternative that doesn't compromise on taste or nutrition, give Ezekiel bread a try. Its sprouted whole grains and nutrient content make it a wholesome choice for those seeking to manage their blood sugar levels while enjoying a delicious slice of bread. Bread alternative number 6. Lettuce wraps. Let's explore the refreshing world of lettuce wraps. the third bread alternative on our list. Get ready to wrap up your favorite fillings in a crisp, low-carb package that will leave you feeling satisfied and guilt-free. Lettuce, often underestimated and seen as a humble salad ingredient, can actually be a fantastic substitute for bread. Not only does lettuce provide a satisfying crunch, it also brings a host of health benefits to the table. Studies have shown that regular consumption of leafy greens like lettuce is associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So by incorporating lettuce wraps into your meals, you're making a smart choice for managing blood sugar levels. But it's not just about the reduced carbs. Lettuce packs a nutritional punch too. It's low in calories, low in carbohydrates, and high in vitamins and minerals. A cup of lettuce contains only 8 calories and less than 2 grams of carbohydrates. Plus, it provides trace amounts of vitamins A, vitamin C, calcium, and potassium, adding a nutrient boost to your meal. The beauty of lettuce wraps lies in their versatility. You can use large outer leaves of iceberg lettuce for a sturdy wrap, or opt for the crunch and extra nutrients of romaine lettuce. Whether you're creating a flavorful taco-like wrap or a light and refreshing veggie-filled sandwich, lettuce wraps offer a delicious and healthy alternative to traditional bread. So, embrace the leafy goodness and give lettuce wraps a try. Not only will they add a burst of freshness to your meals, but they'll also keep your blood sugar in check and provide a range of essential nutrients. Say goodbye to heavy bread and hello to the light and satisfying world of lettuce wraps. Your taste buds and your health will thank you for it. Bread alternative number 5, almond bread. Now, get ready to indulge in a slice of goodness with our next bread alternative, almond bread. This unique alternative is a game changer for those seeking a low-carb, diabetic-friendly option without compromising on taste or texture. Almond bread's secret lies in its flour, almond flour. Made from finely ground almonds, this flour brings a delightful nutty flavor and a plethora of health benefits to the table. What sets almond bread apart is its incredibly low glycemic index, clocking in at less than 1. This means it has minimal impact on blood sugar levels compared to regular wheat flour. But don't be fooled by its higher fat content. Almond bread is rich in heart-healthy monosaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats have been shown to support cardiovascular health and provide satiety, keeping you fuller for longer. Additionally, almond bread boasts a favorable carb-to-fiber ratio, with 2 slices containing about 8 grams of total carbohydrates and 4 grams of fiber. This combination of healthy fats and fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels and promotes better glucose control. Nutritionally, almond bread is a winner. It's a great source of beneficial nutrients like calcium, iron, manganese, potassium, and vitamin E, an antioxidant known for its brain health benefits. Almond flour is also high in magnesium, which plays a vital role in blood sugar regulation. So, if you're seeking a bread alternative that ticks all the boxes, low carb, diabetic friendly, and packed with nutrients, look no further than almond bread. It's a delicious, nutty slice of heaven that will satisfy your cravings while helping you maintain stable blood sugar levels. Say goodbye to carb-loaded bread and say hello to the wholesome goodness of almond bread. Coming in at the halfway point for best bread alternative number 4, bell pepper sandwiches. Hold on to your taste buds because we're about to introduce you to a vibrant and versatile bread alternative, bell pepper sandwiches. Say goodbye to traditional bread slices and hello to a burst of flavor wrapped in colorful goodness. Bell peppers, also known as capsicums, come in a vibrant rainbow of colors that not only add visual appeal, but also provide a range of health benefits. Over 90% water, bell peppers are hydrating and low in calories. A 100-gram serving of raw bell pepper packs just 31 calories, making them a guilt-free choice for your sandwich fix. But it's not just about the low-calorie count. Bell peppers bring a bounty of nutrients to the table. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and valuable antioxidants. In fact, a medium-sized red bell pepper can contain about 170% of your daily recommended intake for vitamin C. Plus, they are a rich source of potassium, which supports heart health, vitamin A for eye health, and vitamin B6 for red blood cell production. What makes bell peppers an excellent bread alternative is their low glycemic index score of around 15. This means they have minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for individuals managing their blood sugar. To use bell peppers as a bread replacement, simply cut them in half, remove the seeds, and you're left with a vibrant, low-carb vessel ready to be filled with your favorite sandwich ingredients. Bread alternative number 3. Eggplant roll-ups. Prepare to embark on a culinary adventure with our next bread alternative, eggplant roll-ups. This versatile vegetable is about to take your sandwich game to a whole new level, all the while keeping your blood sugar in check. Eggplant, also known as aubergine in some parts of the world, may seem unassuming, but it's a nutritional powerhouse. With over 95% water content, eggplant is incredibly low in calories. In fact, a cup of cubed eggplant contains a mere 20 calories, making it a guilt-free choice for those watching their waistline. But don't let its low-calorie nature fool you. Eggplant offers a fantastic carb-to-fiber ratio, with only 4.8 grams of total carbohydrates and 2.4 grams of fiber per cup. This means it has minimal impact on blood sugar levels while providing a satisfying texture and aiding in weight loss. Beyond its low-carb goodness, eggplant is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin C, B6, and K, as well as the mineral manganese. Additionally, eggplants boast powerful antioxidants, including anthocyanins, niacin, and chlorogenic acid. These compounds help protect against cellular damage and reduce the risk of heart disease. To create delectable eggplant roll-ups, simply cut the eggplant into long strips, season to your liking, and bake them in the oven for a short time. The softened strips can then be wrapped around your favorite healthy sandwich fillings, providing a nutritious and flavorful alternative to bread. Bread alternative number 2, cucumber subs. Get ready to add a refreshing crunch to your meals with our next bread alternative, cucumber subs. These cool and hydrating veggies are about to revolutionize the way you enjoy your sandwiches, all while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Cucumbers, with their high water content of 95%, are the ultimate hydrating powerhouse. But don't be fooled by their watery nature. They offer a range of vitamins and minerals too. Cucumbers are packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin B9, vitamin K, beta-carotene, potassium, and magnesium. They provide refreshing and nutritious additions to your meals. 1 cup of cucumber contains a mere 16 calories, making it an incredibly low-calorie option. Plus, it only has 4 grams of carbs and approximately 0.6 grams of fiber. While the carb-to-fiber ratio may not be exceptional, cucumbers still boast a low glycemic index score of only 15. This means they have minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for individuals managing diabetes or watching their carbohydrate intake. Using cucumbers as a bread replacement couldn't be easier. Simply slice the cucumber in half lengthwise, scoop out the middle, and you've got a refreshing, low-calorie vessel ready to be filled with your favorite sandwich ingredients. Whether you opt for a simple veggie filling or something more substantial, cucumber subs offer a satisfying crunch and a burst of flavor without the carb-heavy load of traditional bread. And finally, the number 1 best bread alternative goes to portobello mushroom buns. Get ready for the unique and savory goodness of our number 1 bread alternative, portobello mushroom buns. These hearty and flavorful mushrooms are about to transform your burgers into a low-carb delight, all the while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Portobello mushrooms are a burger lover's dream come true. With their rich, earthy taste and meaty texture, they provide the perfect base for your favorite fillings. But here's the exciting part. These mushrooms are not just a delicious substitute for bread. They also offer a range of health benefits. First, let's talk about their impressive nutritional profile. A single portobello mushroom contains just 22 calories, making it an incredibly low-calorie option. It's also low in carbohydrates, with only 4.25 grams of total carbs, and boasts a respectable 1.3 grams of dietary fiber. This fantastic carb-to-fiber ratio helps keep your blood sugar levels stable, making portobello mushroom buns an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes or looking to reduce their carbohydrate intake. But the benefits don't stop there. Portobello mushrooms are packed with essential nutrients. They are a great source of vitamin D, which is important for bone health, as well as minerals like manganese and phosphorus. Additionally, portobello mushrooms are surprisingly high in potassium. with a single mushroom containing about the same amount of potassium as a medium-sized banana. This mineral is crucial for maintaining heart health and electrolyte balance. As an added bonus, portobello mushrooms are approximately 90% water, which not only keeps you hydrated but also contributes to their juicy and satisfying texture. While they may be a little messy to eat by hand, these mushroom buns are well worth the effort. In conclusion, we have delved into the world of bread alternatives for individuals managing diabetes, exploring options that can help regulate blood sugar levels while still delivering delicious and satisfying meals. From whole wheat tortillas to almond bread, lettuce wraps to portobello mushroom buns, these alternatives offer a wide range of flavor textures and nutritional benefits. By opting for these diabetic-friendly alternatives, individuals can enjoy their favorite sandwich fillings, wraps, and burgers without concerns of spiking blood sugar levels associated with traditional bread. With each alternative providing its unique set of nutrients and low glycemic index scores, these choices empower individuals to make healthier decisions while still savoring their meals. So, whether you're seeking to manage diabetes or simply looking for healthier bread options, these alternatives offer a promising path to better glucose control and overall well-being. We'd love to hear from you, our audience. Have you ever experimented with bread alternatives in your quest to manage diabetes or adopt a healthier lifestyle? We're curious to know which ones you've tried and what your experiences have been like. Did you find them satisfying? Did they help you maintain stable blood sugar levels? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on managing diabetes, healthy eating, and lifestyle tips. By subscribing, you'll never miss an update or a new video. Also, make sure to hit the like button if you found this information helpful. And remember to ring the notification bell to stay informed about our latest releases. Together, we can embark on a journey towards better health and well-being. Thank you for being part of our community.